thought to be a little bit of an asshole when I get a little rough with people when I feel they get lazy or they're backing away from something they told me their goals were. I've dealt with that a lot in the personal training, with working with teams, and I just I kind of lose my shit, and I either I back away. I said, all right, maybe I'm not the guy for you, or I just go nuts. And you have to understand this, and this is what finally hit me. I'm like, why do I do that? Like I never really understood like the real root of why I get angry and frustrated, and the whole the heart of it all. And it really, really, truly is. And this is the thing that hit me today. One of its expectations, but the expectations are grounded in the fact that I'm a fan of you. Like it hit me today. Like I'm like reaching out, and I'm always like kind of trying to push the needle with people and whatnot. And it's not because like maybe there's another level to it. There's something inside of me that I feel I have a need that I have to keep doing that. But the need of it, the brother of that thought is because I'm a fan of you, and I see things inside of you that I'm like, oh my God, like she could be X, Y, and Z and accomplish boom, 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 boom. Like, wow, what do I see in them that they don't see in themselves, that they think I can't do these things? Like they think they're in their little box. And I go, oh my God, the box is only in your head. Like everything you want to do, you can go do it, execute. And I really that's where I feel like, hey man, let me put that whisper in your ear and get you going on this track right here, because this is what you can do. You don't have to do the thing you're doing. You don't have to live that life you're living. You can hit XYZ. But understand, 100%, everything that's going on that I'm trying to push you to become, it's not because I make $1 million off of seeing you become it. It's because I see a light inside of you that I'm like, man, just fucking turn that thing on and go, man.